Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to show you guys this braided unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have another braided unit. This is the knotless square parts, and I have her in this beautiful color. I just love it and adore it. Now here's the cap construction. She is still small head friendly, but that's okay, we're gonna still make her work. She does come with two combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. She also features an adjustable elastic band, which is really good because this is just going to change the game for people to have their wig more secure with it being glueless. So I really love how it looks on the head. It looks really good, and I love how it has more of a full coverage look, more so than a knotless braid in my personal opinion. And the lace is also very nice. As you guys can see, it does have like really nice baby hairs. So now I'm just gonna go in and make the unit work for me, and then of course I'm gonna finish out with my closing thoughts. So just go ahead and watch me apply this wig the best I can for big head friendly.
This one will be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine, I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends, they tell you, say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. I'm on to Sean, say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine, make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move, make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. Let me blow. Tell me what you want to know.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so we have the second braided unit. If you guys did not see my video from yesterday, I did do the triangle knotless braid wig by Outre, so make sure you guys check that one out after you watch this one, just in case you wanted to compare to see which one you wanted to get. But yeah, so today we have the knotless square part braids, and I have it in the color, I think I have it in the same color as the stock car model. So this is DR4/2T2613, which it looks very gorgeous. I love this freaking color. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I really do like this wig. As you guys seen, it was a little bit too small for me, but I still did make it work, and I really do love this wig. In comparison to the other one, I definitely think that this one is my favorite. I do wish that I would have picked up like a 1B as well, or like a natural color, because I don't know, like I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it just looks a lot like more natural. And I mean, it looks natural now too, but I don't know, I just love my 1Bs. So anyways, as far as this one goes, it is still too small for my head. However, I still do like it. I do like it better than the other one, simply because I feel like we get a lot of more coverage on the frontal area here. So I really do like that. Like you can't even see like where the frontal ends and begins, and I just really do like that. The lace is really nice. It does just melt right into your skin. They gave you very natural baby hairs. I did just go in and trim them down just because I wanted to just customize them and make them fit, like, you know, to the point where I wanted them to be. I still did do kind of like dramatic baby hairs, but you definitely don't have to. You can do them however you want to. But overall, I do really like the unit. Now, if you have a larger size head like me, but you still want this knotless braid look, you definitely can still get it. As you guys seen, I did apply it like a 4x4. And then you can just put like bobby pins over here. For me personally, I'm not going to wear this style up because honestly, this wig doesn't even really allow for it. And I don't know, to me, in my opinion, it's not going to look good if you try to wear it up. So wearing it down is fine with me. I'm completely okay with that. So I really do like this one. This one is definitely better than the triangle one in my personal opinion. like I said, because you get a lot more coverage. You can't see where the frontal ends and begins, like when it goes into the rest of the braided unit. As far as coverage goes, it's really nice, so you don't get like, you know, like those big spaces that we used to get in our braided wigs, just by like not doing anything. So kudos to Outre for that. And yeah, I just overall really like it. The braids are really neat. The only downfall with this wig for me is the cap size, but other than that, I'm fine with it. This is definitely gonna go in my summer wig arsenal, okay, because this wig is so freaking pretty. I just love it so much, and I do really want the 1B like so bad. Like I want this in a 1 or a 1B because it's just so freaking pretty. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it. They do have other colors, so you don't have to get the color that I'm rocking right now, but I think that it's pretty cute, and especially for summertime, I feel like this is definitely going to be perfect. But if you guys are interested in this unit, I definitely will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.